Boy. Hey, are you going to the market?
Girl, yes, I am going in some time.
Oh, nice. What will you buy today?
I need vegetables and some fruit.
That sounds like a healthy plan.
Do you go to the market often?
Yes, I go twice a week.
That is good. Fresh food helps.
Yes, fresh food tastes much better.
Do you buy snacks from there?
Yes, sometimes I buy chips.
I also buy chips sometimes.
Chips are easy and tasty snacks.
Do you like street food there?
Yes, I like simple street food.
I love the small noodle stall.
Yes, their noodles taste amazing.
How far is the market from you?
It is only 10 minutes away.
That is close. You are lucky.
Yes, it saves a lot of time.
Do you walk or take a bus?
I usually walk to the market.
Walking is good for health, too.
Yes, it feels relaxing and easy.
Okay, I will leave soon now.
All right, buy everything you need.
Yes, I made a small list.
Good. Lists help a lot.
I will message you later.
Sure. Have a nice shopping trip.
Thank you. See you later.
See you. Bye.